What if I tell you that a burger you eat in just 2 minutes actually goes through dozens of machines, strict inspections, freezing tunnels, and scientific precision before it ever reaches your hands? Why do McDonald's burgers taste exactly the same in different cities, even different countries? Is it really just fast food? Or is there a massive factory system working behind the scenes? And the biggest question people keep asking online, are McDonald's hamburgers real food or just factory-made science experiments? Today, we're going deep inside the process to find out. Welcome back to Infusion and Elements, the channel where we uncover how everyday products are really made inside factories. So sit back, because today, you're about to see how McDonald's hamburgers are made in factories, from raw ingredients to the final bite. 1. The journey starts with the bun. Every McDonald's hamburger begins with something simple, the bun. But making millions of identical buns every day is anything but simple. Inside a commercial bakery factory, massive steel mixers combine basic ingredients: wheat flour, clean filtered water, yeast, salt, a small amount of sugar. These ingredients are mixed at high speed until a soft dough forms. This dough is designed to be light, flexible, and consistent, so every bun behaves the same during baking. Special food-grade enzymes are added to improve texture and help the dough stay soft longer, not to preserve forever, but to maintain freshness during transport. Kneading and fermentation. Once mixed, the dough moves into industrial kneading machines. These machines stretch and fold the dough repeatedly, building gluten structure. This step is critical because it gives the bun strength, allows it to rise evenly, prevents collapsing during baking. Next, the dough enters a controlled fermentation room. Here, temperature and humidity are carefully monitored. Over the next few hours, yeast activates, natural gases form, flavor develops slowly. This is the same biological process used in traditional bread, just scaled up for factories. Shaping the perfect bun. After fermentation, the dough begins its journey through automated conveyor belts that move it toward high-precision cutting machines. At this stage, accuracy is everything. Each portion of dough is carefully measured, weighed, and cut into exact sizes to ensure every bun turns out identical. This strict control helps McDonald's maintain the same bun size and texture across all locations. Once portioned, the dough pieces enter high-speed rounding machines. These machines gently roll each piece into a smooth, perfectly shaped ball, removing any rough edges or air gaps. This shaping process is essential for creating buns that bake evenly and look uniform. Before baking, the dough balls are allowed to rest for a short time. This resting period relaxes the gluten inside the dough, making it more flexible. As a result, the buns expand evenly in the oven without tearing, producing a soft, fluffy texture with a consistent shape. Baking and sesame seeds. The buns now enter long industrial ovens heated to high temperatures. Inside the oven, the buns expand. The surface turns golden. The inside stays soft and airy. Before baking finishes, a light mist is sprayed on top, allowing sesame seeds to stick perfectly. Within minutes, thousands of buns exit the oven, identical in size, color, and texture. Cooling, slicing, and packaging. After baking, the freshly made buns are still too warm and soft to be sliced right away. Cutting them at this stage could damage their shape or texture. To avoid this, the buns enter large spiral cooling systems, where they travel slowly for about 20 to 30 minutes. This controlled cooling process allows heat to escape evenly while keeping the buns soft and fresh without drying them out. Once the buns reach the ideal temperature, they move to the slicing section. High-precision blades cut each bun perfectly in half, creating smooth and even surfaces. At the same time, smart sensors monitor the alignment and thickness of every slice. Any bun that does not meet quality standards is automatically removed from the line. After slicing, the approved buns are sealed in food-safe packaging. They are carefully stacked on special racks and prepared for refrigerated transportation to McDonald's restaurants, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. Quick question. If you're still watching this video and enjoying how deeply we're breaking things down, make sure to subscribe to Infusion and Elements because we post factory breakdowns like this every week, and you won't want to miss the next one. Now let's move to the most important part of the burger. 2. The beef patty, real meat or myth? One of the biggest myths online is that McDonald's patties are not real meat. So let's clear this up. McDonald's hamburger patties are made from 100% beef. No fillers, no artificial binders, no added preservatives. The beef comes from approved farms and suppliers and is inspected before entering the factory. Temperature control is everything. Once the beef arrives, it is inspected. Temperatures are checked. Quality standards are verified. The meat is kept very cold, just above freezing. Why? Because cold beef grinds more cleanly, holds shape better, prevents bacterial growth. CO2 cooling tunnels help maintain the perfect temperature before grinding. Grinding and mixing. Large grinders process the beef into a consistent texture. The fat-to-meat ratio is carefully controlled, usually around 80% lean and 20% fat, which gives the burger its juiciness without falling apart. The ground beef is mixed gently to keep the texture natural, not paste-like. Patty forming machines. After the beef has been properly ground and mixed, it moves into advanced patty forming machines designed for speed, accuracy, and consistency. These machines play a crucial role in ensuring that every McDonald's burger patty looks and cooks the same. First, the system carefully measures the exact weight of each portion of beef, making sure no patty is too heavy or too light. This precision helps maintain consistent cooking times and flavor in every burger. Next, the machines shape the beef into perfectly round patties with smooth edges. At the same time, they control the thickness of each patty, ensuring uniform size across millions of burgers produced every day. This consistency allows the patties to cook evenly on McDonald's specialized grills. The entire forming process takes only a few seconds per patty. Each one is stamped into shape and immediately moved along the production line. At this stage, no seasoning, additives, or fillers are added. The patties remain plain, made only from pure beef, preserving their natural texture and taste until the final cooking step, flash freezing. Right after the patties are formed, they move directly into a flash freezing process. This step happens extremely fast and is critical for maintaining quality. By freezing the patties almost instantly, the factory locks in their freshness, natural shape, and moisture. Because the freezing happens so quickly, ice crystals stay very small, which helps preserve the natural texture of the beef. One major advantage of flash freezing is that it removes the need for preservatives. The patties stay fresh simply through temperature control, not chemical additives. Once frozen, each patty goes through multiple safety and quality checks. Metal detectors scan for any unwanted particles from machinery, while visual scanners inspect shape and condition. In addition, random patties are selected for quality testing to ensure they meet strict standards. Only patties that pass every inspection are approved to move forward in the production line, ensuring safety, consistency, and reliability before shipping to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. Distribution to restaurants. Frozen patties are stacked, sealed, and transported in refrigerated trucks. From here, they travel to McDonald's locations worldwide, always kept at controlled temperatures. 3. What happens inside the restaurant? Once at the restaurant, the final steps happen fast. Cooking the patty. McDonald's uses clamshell grills that cook both sides of the patty at the same time. Patties are cooked straight from frozen, no flipping required. Cooking time is under a minute. Salt and pepper are added after cooking, simple and consistent. Toasting the bun. The buns are lightly toasted in high-speed bun toasters. This gives slight crispiness, warm texture, better flavor balance. Assembly line perfection. Now comes the final assembly. Bottom bun, beef patty, pickles, onions, ketchup and mustard. Top bun, everything is measured and timed for speed and consistency. Within seconds, the burger is wrapped and served. So, why does it last so long? Back to the question we started with. McDonald's burgers don't last forever because of chemicals. They dry out. Low moisture plus proper cooking plus controlled ingredients equals less mold growth. It's science, not mystery. McDonald's hamburgers are not made randomly or without careful planning. Behind every single burger is a highly organized system built on massive logistics, advanced food science, and powerful factory automation. Every step, from sourcing raw ingredients to delivering finished products to restaurants, follows strict procedures designed for consistency and safety. Machines operate with precision, while trained teams monitor quality at every stage to ensure standards are never compromised. Strict safety rules and inspections are applied throughout the process, making sure the food remains safe, fresh, and reliable for customers around the world. This level of control is what allows McDonald's to serve the same burger experience in thousands of locations every day. Whether you enjoy eating McDonald's hamburgers or choose to avoid them, one thing is clear: the system behind their production is complex, efficient, and impressive. It represents how modern food manufacturing combines technology, planning, and science to deliver fast food on a global scale. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how McDonald's hamburgers are made in factories, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Infusion and Elements for more behind-the-scenes factory stories you've never seen before. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.